Got a new pickup in. This is the V magazine that Lisa was featured in. This is just the standard edition. I'm still waiting on the limited edition one, which was $175. Had to pre-order that one. But yeah, this is the standard edition. Came pretty quick. There we go. V magazine. Not sure if you can tell, there's like some gold little print over here. The Sound of V, Lalisa, issue 138. And Fendi on the back. So, let's take a look at this. There'll be a special interview on the special edition. On the brand. Gaga. MCM. There it is. Music's Mona Lisa. We got Lisa here. Photo shoot. Here's her interview over here. Saying that comparing to Mona Lisa, the artwork. And yeah, that's pretty much it that she's featured in. These are the rest. Yeah, she was on this special cover for issue 138. Yeah, stay tuned for the special edition. I'll do an unboxing on that when it comes in. So yeah, let me know if you guys pre-order this, and subscribe. More videos coming. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.